Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and styling without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2021 Audi Q7 Premium in night black. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 6,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, DUAL-PANE panoramic sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8315B.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.